Hello?
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 Good afternoon. My name is Mary. The new Trump administration has changed the Medicare policies for your state to proceed with checking your available benefits. I need to confirm you have both Medicare Part A and B, right?
Computerized bot. Yes, I do.
Oh, sorry about that. My mic might be acting up. Anyway, I want to tell you about the updated Medicare plans and the benefits that you can receive, including food and flex cards, low out-of-pocket premiums, and coverage, including hospital visits and doctor consultations.
That all sounds
So you're
fabulous.
currently enrolled for Part A and B of Medicare, right?
Yes, I told you, yes. Yes.
Perfect. You qualify for the benefits. I'm forwarding you to our supervisor. Please hold on.
Okay. I'll hold. Hello?
Hello.
Hi. You're breathing heavy. Is that one of these phone calls from a pervert? Hello?
Yes.
Hi, pervert. How are you today?
I'm good.
That's good. How can I help you? Do you want to breathe heavy some more? You seem to be better at that than conversation. Now, tell me what you want. Okay, we could just sit here and listen to you breathe if you'd rather that. Did you call to heavy breathe, or did you call to have a conversation?
Heavy breathe.
Heavy breathe. Oh, okay. Well, at least you know what you want. So I will just have a little sit down and listen to you breathe like a...